Hey everybody, today we're going to be reviewing the Hewolf Gaiters by iFeng. So I got these gaiters off of Amazon for a really good deal, and I've never had gaiters before, so I didn't really know what to expect, but I really wanted some, especially for this winter, and I am very pleased with these. They attach via Velcro, and they have a little clasp at the bottom, which simply goes, your heel goes there, and then you Velcro them up. They have an elastic drawstring at the top for your calves that you can pull and tighten as you need. Another really awesome feature about these, which not all gaiters I've done some research since then, not all gaiters have, is these have double cotton flannel lining, which serves to keep your legs warm amazingly. They're almost like a small snow pants. So they keep your calves really warm during the winter. So you put them on simply by lifting your foot, positioning your heel, making sure the strap falls nicely there, folding them over, and lining up that Velcro nicely. At the bottom, you'll notice there's a little hook that simply hooks on to the shoelaces on your shoe already there. Let's line up that Velcro a little bit better. And pull the drawstring to tighten. Better to have no gloves on. And there you have it. The Gaiters by Hewolf. I love the color. The material on the outside is extremely durable. I don't think I could cut this if I wanted to without a knife. So great, keeps your shoes protected. If you accidentally kick your legs or run up against some branches, it protects your legs. It's warm. They're Velcro, so if for any reason you need to adjust around different shoes, the little strap on the bottom has a Velcro strap, so you can just do that. And I don't have my crampons on, but if you need to still put crampons on top of your shoes, these do not interfere at all. So Hewolf Gaiters by iFeng, highly recommend. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any comments or questions or products you'd like us to review, leave a comment in the comment section or just tell us a story from your recent trip. And always remember, keep moving forward.